So in this box we have first a couple of two manuals. One is for the Inspiron i5 7000 quick start guide, and let's check this out. So we'll go through it later. And the next is for the safety and regulatory information. So we'll keep this aside, and we have one more thing, which is this pen drive basically. So this is a pen drive where we got the Windows Home original OS inside. So there are two options here. Say for example, if you want to re-image your laptop, the first option is like you can take the backup from your laptop, or you can order a pen drive like this which will contain the original OS. So in later point in time, if you want to re-image your laptop, you can just plug in pen drive and boot it from here. And again, just for information, this costs 1,100 rupees around extra. Alright, so this is the charger, and it's having a small pin when compared to the other Dell laptop models, and it's a 65 watt laptop charger. Okay, let's keep all these things aside. So nothing much in the box. And now let's check the laptop. So let's see. Let's remove the hardware dust on both the sides of the laptop. Okay, so let's keep this aside and check out the laptop. Alright, so this is the first look of the Dell Inspiron i5 7572 Jingled Gold. The laptop seems to be smooth, and it's not too much weight. It should weigh around 2 kg if I'm not wrong. Okay, so let's see what are the ports available in this laptop. Okay, on the left side of the laptop we have the charging port, Ethernet port, HDMI port, and two USB 3.0 and a headphone jack. Coming to the other side, we got the Noble lock at the first, and followed with the USB 2.0 and SD card slot. The weight of the laptop is pretty much decent, and gold color really looks nice at the back side of the laptop as well. It was written Inspiron i5 7572, and it got an elegant look. That's the only thing I could see now. So overall the laptop looks nice, and the silver shades at the side giving a rich look. Also the curves at the end, basically the edge curves, are adding more beauty to this laptop. Trust me, this is one of the nice laptop which I see in the Dell, mainly because of the gold color and the silver side pattern. So overall the first look is good. It's pretty much decent weight, and so the next thing is we should see how it's gonna perform. So this is the official website of Dell, and right now the only option is to buy from Dell.com, because rather it is not available in Amazon or Flipkart, or not in any of the live stores as well. So this laptop starts with a price of 6,989, and you could see a lot of variants over here, which will be coming with the i5 processors, i7 processors, and multiple things. So you have a quick glance here, all are the same new Inspiron i5 7572 laptops. So if you need to compare, you can compare all those things by giving the compare products option, so we'll get a difference between each and everything. So let me give you a quick idea about a laptop. So I have chosen the first option, and let's see what are the required customized option and what are the offers we could get here. Okay, the first thing is, let's have a quick look on the offers. They are saying like they'll be giving 5,000 rupees instant cash off. So when I was buying, I was getting some 8,000 rupees instant cash off instead of 5,000. I just booked 2 weeks before. And the next thing is, avail 2 years additional limited warranty plus 2,500 voucher free. So this comes in picture once you buy the product. So once you bought, there will be a web bill would be sent to you, which will be like with the invoice number and with it, basically the billing details. So using the billing details, you need to go to a particular website and register for those things. So once after you register, you'll be availing the 2 years additional limited hardware warranty and also the 2,500 vouchers. There were 4 options where you could choose the voucher between. The one is Speed Ringland, the other is Bata, the third is Book My Show, and fourth is some other thing, I don't remember that. So I have chosen Bata as per my requirement. And the third thing is like you save 4,000 rupees on the Microsoft Office Home and the Student 2016 upgrade. When I was buying, I got the entire amount. If I'm not wrong, I got 5,990 offer here instead of 4,000. And this I didn't get, but right now it is available. Instead of 1,290, you can just pay 490 rupees for the accidental damage thing. So this is one of the good thing. And the price is 62,989 as of now. Okay, so now let's see what are the other thing we could get here from. So now let's see what are the other things we could get it from the laptop. Okay, so these are the offers we could get from Dell Inspiron Hi-Fi 7572. So I have one more good news for you guys with an additional offer other than this. Let me tell you later. And again, this price excludes 18% GST, which means you're going to pay 18% GST of the total amount once it gets customized. Okay, the first option is like, I'm okay with Windows Home Plus, I don't want to pay 5,300 more for this Pro. Again, it depends. So all these things are default, you cannot change any of the hardware, power cord, all those things. The next is the color choice. I have chosen the Jingled Gold. The reason is like it's pretty much unique color on the Dell side, so I have chosen this. So after choosing 990, it becomes 63,979. Before, if you see here, it will be 62,989. So I have chosen this one. Okay, selected. The next is like don't go for the trial pack. Let's take this one. You just pay 2,000 rupees additional. Again, it will come 65,969. And McAfee just pay 289 rupees and get 3 years subscription, like 36 month. And this is the one I was telling before in the video, where you'll be getting a pen drive with the original Windows 10 OS. So I opted for this, and I just suggest you to have this one to get any kind of an accident format or something. Again, it depends on you. So all these warranties are like, I didn't choose any of these warranties, but again, if you really need this warranty, then you can go ahead and take the services. Other than that, I don't suggest to take any of this. But if you are kind of a user where you could damage your laptop, or you think like it's must for you, then just go ahead and buy this. It just costs 485 rupees and it gives you a 1 year accidental damage and services in case of all these things. So just go for this. Other than the power DVD, I don't think so, because like in this laptop there is no power DVD player. But if you're a kind of guy who really need this for gaming or some other purposes, then you can proceed with this. So that's it. As I tell, there are 2 colors. This is the gold one, So overall, as of our customization, you could see the bill is 67,000 excluding 18% GST. So let's add to the cart and see what's the final value. Okay, so where it is. Okay, let me proceed. This is the final. So I just had a quick think what all I ordered here. So now we'll get to know. So 79,499 rupees. Oh my god, the tax is around 12,000 rupees, 12,125. Just the 18% GST of the 67,000. Okay, so this is the total amount you're going to end up to pay. But one more offer which is running, and that is only for the Dell or Dell EMC employees. So if any one of you have friends or relatives in Dell or Dell EMC, if they order for you, you'll be getting a 5% offer on the total amount, which means like instead of, let's say for example, this is around 80,000, the 5% will be approximately 7,400 rupees approximately. So almost like 7,500 rupees. It's a very good deal. You'll be getting 7,500 rupees offer on the total money value. So that is one good thing. So if you have any friends or relatives, I strongly suggest you to book through them. So all they need to do is like book from their end and give your name, your shipping address and everything. So at the end you'll be saving around 7,500 rupees. So that's it for the day, and I'll be posting a review about the performance of the laptop maybe next week, just to make sure the actual review of the laptop. So thanks for your time. If you do have any comments or any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day.